And today we're going to be recording.
We're back with Bingo and Pingo.
And today we're going to make an introduction of them.
And this time we're going to take them out in our fist to show you guys them up close. Bingo in our last video was biting us so much, but now he doesn't bite us anymore.
Now he's kind.
Look at how cute they are. Oh, and Pingo's here as well. Hi, Pingo. Hiya, Pingo.
He's behind him.
Oh, hi, birds.
Bingo always gets punishment.
Bingo always stares at the camera.
Because Pingo says to save me.
Da-da-doo. Okay, don't show my face.
So guys,
Don't show my face. Okay, anyway, I'm going to take one bird out in the fist for you guys to like. Come on, Pingo. Do you want to come? Sorry for if it looks scary. Say hello. Bingo, say hello. Bingo.
where is Bingo?
You see him?
No. Oh yeah, I see him.
This is Bingo, guys.
In her fist. Hey, Bingo.
Oh, look how cute. Okay, let's put it back.
We're gonna try to get Pingo. Pingo's a boring bird today.
No, Pingo's already a girl. Okay. What is wrong with you, Pingo? Bingo, I'm so sorry. He's so cute. Now, Taha, record me as I try to take Bingo. Pingo. Okay. Anyway, just. Ooh. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, birds, but like, no, they love the swing so much. That Bingo always watched Pingo die. Like, it's not nice. Okay, Taha, come here.
It's not Pingo.
Ah, Pingo.
He's not in the mood.
Pingo! Oh my God, Pingo. Okay, show him here. Hello, guys. Hello, I'm Pingo, and I'm a bird. Okay, I think he's suffocating. So yeah, let's close that up, guys.
Both of them are kind and nice. Bingo!
Hello, Bingo.
Let's name him Kingo.
No, but guys, he doesn't like the name Kingo.
And he bites us then.
And we already have an introduction that is Bingo and Pingo.
How about
Pingo and Bingo? So, hello, Pingo. Guys, for my little sister Summer, we're going to take out the bird, one of them. Summer, go on, Seneca. Wait, Summer, which one do I take out? Do you want to come, Pingo? Bingo.
She doesn't know the name. She doesn't know the
Anyway.
name yet of the birds.
Okay, let's just put this one in the house for now. And let's take Pingo. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, so sweet, Summer. There you go. In you go, Pingo.
Sweetie. You're so
चलो
sweet.
आओ कपड़े चेंज करें कपड़े चेंज करें आहा अपने बेटे को क्या बंद
They don't really tweet much.
Yeah, in the last video, they tweeted a lot because look at Bingo in the house. They tweeted a lot because of Meta. We don't have Meta right now, and that time they were kind of small, I guess. They were very new. Isn't it, Bingo? Is that white, Bingo? Bingo, is that white? Oh my gosh, cute. Okay, Pingo. Pingo knows his name very well. Pingo. Sweet little bird. I need Bingo. So sweet.
I want to take him in the car, not the cage. Daniel,
Yeah, that's enough fun with the birds.
Daniel.
Oh, I got a Pingo.
Daniel, actually, they were driving the car.
Yeah, Tahoe had a dream that the birds were driving a car.
And they crashed into an Uber.
Yeah, they crashed into Uber, and then Bingo's always like,
And then the Uber and the birds were fighting together.
oh my god! And the birds put its beak inside its skin, and then the fat man who's driving the Uber died, and the birds drove home, and then they sat down on the sofa, and that's the end of his dream when he woke up in the morning. Oi, what are you doing, Bingo? Bingo, my meal. Bingo, what you doing, Bingo? What you doing, Bingo? Sometimes we have a laugh with Bingo. He doesn't really mind anything, does he? Nope, he doesn't mind, right? I think he does mind. Oh my god. Sorry, Bingo. Sorry. Good bird. Good Bingo. Sorry, Bingo. Bingo.
In the mood.
Bingo. I think he's in the mood, actually. Come on, do you want to come on my hand? For the rest of everybody, just... I don't really see you on camera, but he's biting me. He's not in the mood right now.
He's a bit moody.
Oh my gosh.
He's moody.
Bingo.
He's moody. His eye. His beak. His eye.
Okay, guys, should we try again? Comment down below. We should... Bingo. Bingo, what's
Please. Allah, please, Bingo.
Guys, now let's see. We're going to try Pingo.
That's a jump stop.
Come on, Pingo. And if he looks, he's biting me, but it doesn't hurt. But Bingo's hurts so much. Come on, Pingo. What's wrong with you? Finally, you're so cute. What the heck do you want, Pingo? He's like, do you want to come as well? Ow! Bingo! What? What's wrong with Bingo anyway? I think he's not in the mood, guys.
He's a bit moody.
Oh, don't be sad. Guys, Bingo was hurting me a lot, so I thought it was Tahoe's turn.
Oh, come on, Bingo.
Well, he's ready. Whoa! Oh my god, Bingo! Bingo, are you okay? Pingo, are you okay? It's Pingo who always pushes Bingo down. But they're both cute little bit. Oh my god. Hey! Stop fighting. Pingo and Bingo.
Oh, you said to time out.
Yeah. Lesson Pingo. No, take your hand out now. Go. Yeah, guys, let me try it now. Oh my god, he's stopped now. Good Bingo. Tickle on the belly will always make him happy. Okay. I think we should leave the birds for a few minutes, guys. They're not in the mood right now.
And Bingo always don't get to the mood.
Okay, yeah.
Spin around and birds. All alive.
They're having like a cleaning session going on right now. Because like they're cleaning up a bit. I don't know. They have a bath every time. What time is it?
9 o'clock.
Oh! Yeah, oh my god, it's all spinning around. And the birds. Hey! Oh my god, stop headbutting my butt. Oh my god, anyway. These are the birds, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Oh my god, stop. Oh guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And birds, say bye-bye. And Pingo, bye-bye. Well, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Boy. Bingo, say bye. Good Bingo and Pingo.